How to fix another account from your organization is already signed in on this device error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Sign out of all Microsoft accounts. Lingering account sessions can trick Windows into detecting an active organizational account, even if it's not visible. Signing out of all Microsoft services clears these sessions and resets the authentication state. Under Accounts used by other apps, select each Microsoft account and click Remove. Confirm the removal and restart your computer. Try signing in with your work account again. If that didn't work, stored credentials in Windows can persist after sign out, causing conflicts with new sign-in attempts. Clearing them removes outdated or duplicate entries tied to your organization. Look for entries related to your organization, e.g., Azure AD, Microsoft account. Select each relevant entry and click Remove. Restart your computer and attempt to sign in again. Corrupted system files can disrupt account management, leading to sign-in errors. SFC and DISM tools repair these files and restore proper functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If account conflicts stem from deep system issues, a reset can wipe out problematic configurations while keeping your files, offering a clean slate for organizational sign-ins.